Well, here's another beautiful Corvette just in at buyavette.net, and if you want to know more specific details or pricing about this car, check below the video here for the inventory link, and you'll get all of that information right there. This is a beautiful 2019 Chevrolet Corvette Stingray Z51 2LT Coupe. 516 horsepower, by the way. This is a beautiful color combination. Elkhart Blue on the exterior, red adrenaline interior, and under the hood you'll find that 516 horsepower LT1 engine with 7-speed manual transmission. Kind of rare on this car. Factory features include the $4,455 2LT preferred equipment group. This includes the heads-up display, Bose 10-speaker stereo system with steering wheel controls, has auto-dimming mirrors, heated and vented seats, dual power seat bolster, all of the options involved in that preferred equipment group. And then also it has the $5,000 Z51 performance package. This includes performance brakes, black brake caliper, slotted brake rotors, dry sump oiling, specific suspension, special front and rear wheels and tires. It has the electronic limited slip differential with cooler performance gear ratios and the Aereo package along with multi-mode exhaust. This car is beautiful with those satin black wheels with a red stripe. It has the red brake caliper override and the carbon flash badge package. This is an absolutely beautiful car. It is totally powered, has all the power options, and as we said, this car is a wonderful buy with a one-owner Carfax, and it shows just 20,107 miles. This car, again, comes in that rare Elkhart Blue and adrenaline red color combination, and also the very rare 7-speed manual transmission. It's in nice condition. The paint isn't very good with a great shine. It has several absolutely special features on it. You need to take a look at the description here on our website for all of those. It's a beautiful car. Give us a call here at buyavette.net if you'd like to know more. Remember, we always have 120 Corvettes in stock, and we ship nationwide and worldwide even every month here. We make buying online something you can do with confidence and with ease. Subscribe to our YouTube channel, hit the notification button, and you'll see every new Corvette that comes to our showroom floor. Check out this car in more detail at buyavette.net. Hope to see you real soon.